Are you looking for the best dual dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dual dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Upgrade DVR M550 Pro Dash Cam. The M550 Pro is an upgraded version of the M550. It replaces the HDMI connector of cabin camera with a Type-C connector, reducing the issue of cabin camera not being accessible to the host. At the same time, it has upgraded its Wi-Fi from 2.4 GHz to 5.8 GHz, providing more stable and faster speed when connecting to the mobile phone app. Ultra High Definition 4K, 3840 x 2160p. Images contain approximately 2.25 times the pixels of 2K. 2560 x 1440p. Images, which is almost the best resolution that can be achieved by current car recorders. It can clearly capture images of road conditions such as car license plates and road signs, and can display more detailed images, resulting in smoother visuals. Especially, the built-in Wide Dynamic Range, WDR, technology also helps capture optimum lighting and image details in bright and dark conditions. So, be in day or night, view road signs and license plates vividly. f/1.8 wide aperture allows superior images. Be it day or night. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6-glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy even in low light. Number 2. OptPeak H6 12 inches Car Dash Cam. The OptPeak H6 uses 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses with f1.8 aperture and Sony IMX415 sensor that process frames to deliver images with better clarity and vividness. With a 12-inch large screen, real-time viewing of ultra-high-definition giant screen images. The OptPeak Mirror Dash Cam uses strong light suppression and HD technology to provide very clear and soft images for drivers at night. It can capture more details whether at night or during the day. Front camera, adopted Sony Starvis IMX415, captures native 4K UHD, 3840 by 2160 at 30 fps. Footage with stunning details than ever. License plates in distance that are unreadable in 1080p or other resolutions are very crisp in 4K video. The app supports both iOS and Android systems, allowing you to view and download HD videos in real time through the dashcam's Wi-Fi. It also locks emergency videos to the event file to prevent an overwrite. Monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed, kilometers per hour, miles per hour, and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Number 3. ASDOM M300S Dash Camera. The M300S is equipped with front and rear cameras, which can record at the same time. The front camera supports 4K resolution and can capture road information very clearly. The rear camera supports a resolution of 1080p, compared with most cameras with only 720p. It can capture much clearer road information at the rear of the car, including the license plate. GPS will record the driving route, including the information on position, speed, longitude, and latitude, which also can be shown on the video along with the date and time stamp. 24 hours parking monitor only works on an external power source. If someone hits your car and the impact reaches the G sensor level, the camera will turn on and record about 1-minute video, then locks IT and saves IT. It is better always to connect dashcam to external power hardware kit while it is in use. Please choose the option of M300S hardwire kit to get the full function when you buy it. The videos, pictures can be viewed and downloaded to the smartphone through the dashcam's Wi-Fi and ASDOM app. No need to take out the TF card to check on the computer. Number 4. K4 11.26-inch CarPlay Dash Cam. 11.26-inch ultra-wide-angle full-view touchscreen, capturing license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Very clear and smooth images display as like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR and auto-adjusting brightness. Streaming mirror supports simultaneous one-to-one display of front and rear cameras. The OBD-Peak K4 recorder uses the latest technology, supports CarPlay and Android Auto functions. Users can easily and safely make calls, listen to music, send and receive messages, use navigation, support Siri, and more. After connecting the GPS module, the DVR will display the speed, and record the speed, coordinates, and track. Dedicated player, more detailed playback display. You can view your speed, coordinates, track in detail. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, it can be connected to a mobile phone. You can preview real-time images to view historical records and quickly download pictures. With the latest 5G HZ technology, the video transmission speed will be faster and smoother than the traditional 2.4G HZ. Built-in multi-chip audio output mode, wireless FM output or wired audio output can be selected. And we give free O cable. Number 5. SRU by 10.26 inches dash cam. This car radio multimedia player is compatible with both Apple and Android devices, making it a versatile option for any driver. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, you can easily connect your phone to your car's audio system and enjoy seamless integration. The 10.26 inches of screen real estate provide ample space to view videos, navigate through menus, and more. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to easily stream music, videos, and more without the need for a physical connection to your phone. This car radio multimedia player is compatible with both Apple and Android devices, making it a versatile option for any driver. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, you can easily connect your phone to your car's audio system and enjoy seamless integration. The 10.26 inches of high-quality display provides clear and detailed visuals, making it easy to navigate through your music and videos.